to simplify it, you can think of this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when you put it on sheet music, it's actually 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I only show you that because if you go pop open some books, then you'll understand what's going on, you know. And then the bass drum, the one with your foot, is just on 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this would be the bass drum. Just simple 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so the foot's just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hit the snare on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then try and get this hand going. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? So that beat alone could take you a month. Okay? Some people catch on quick, but don't be surprised if something like that takes you a month or more. You know, just start out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, just getting the coordination of both hands going. You know? Okay, so what you would do is play that 3 times, and then do a roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a cymbal crash. And you know, of course, if you could hang that, if you could hang it, then it would sound more like a cymbal crash. You know, that actually sounds like a gong. That sounds better than the $500 gong I had at the store. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. Okay, so if we do this three times, let's see here. Let's see. That's a musical staff, and we got we cut it in half here, and we got 4 measures here. 4 measures here. So this here is our beat. Okay, so our beat goes here. Beat, 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 roll. Beat, 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 roll. So if you go over your buddy's house and you start jamming, this is the type of thing that they would want you to do. Let's say you play 1 beat and put in a roll, play 3 beats and put in a roll, put 4 beats and do a roll. You know, that would be kind of awkward. You know, songs do weird things, but this would be like a standard thing to get started on. So we go, you play the beat 3 times, and then do a roll. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, so that would be at the end. See, like right here would be your, okay, so this is standard 8 measure line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's kind of like a song structure type of thing. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 this would be like the verse, right? And then we have the same thing down here. 8 measure line, cut in half. Four measures. Beat, beat, beat in a roll. Beat, beat, beat. Oh, we got 5 here in a roll. Okay. 4 measures, 4 measures. See, and then this would be the chorus. And then the beat down here would be different from the beat up here. And the roll would be different too. Not always, but usually, you know. These days with common pop music, they do the same thing through the whole song. But in general, you know, verse should be different from the chorus. So that's as simple as changing up the bass. You know, this on 2 and 4, you should always keep that there. The snare should always be on 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 2 and 3 and 4. See, like if you're hearing the bass, right, the bass drum, and I do this, it's kind of odd not having that snare there. It kind of feels like you're floating, right, because there's no anchor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Sometimes they'll leave out the 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That, or they'll put the snare in weird spots or do all kind of weird stuff with the foot, you know, just put different basses on different notes. Or they'll do all kind of weird things with the foot. They put the bass drum in different spots, you know. That's what learning all the different beats is about.